Hello learners, have a good day. Welcome to online class from Blue Stars A Secondary School. This is a class for 4th standard and subject English. Students, today we are going to do book back exercise from Unit 3, the lesson Nasruddin's Aim. So let us take your English textbook and take page number 50. Okay, so first part, word building. Shoot the arrow and hit the target by matching the words with their correct meanings. Okay, so here some words are given to you and you have to match the words their correct meaning. Okay, for chatting, talking informally, amazement, great surprise, archery, shooting with a bow and arrow, defending, protecting from attack, target, the goal intended to be hit, triumphantly, happily and proudly. Okay, so second part, replace the bold word or words with a word from the quiver and rewrite the sentence. So here some sentences are given with bold words. You have to choose for apt words from the quiver in place of those words. Okay? For example, in no time she hit the object she aimed at. So we have to replace the bold words. So the correct answer is in no time she hit the target. Okay? And then next part, this is a picture of Rahul Gupta. Using the clues given, write a paragraph about him in your notebook. So students, you have to use these clues and you have to write the paragraph about Rahul Gupta. Okay? So Rahul Gupta is a well-known name in the Indian cricket. He eats healthy food. He runs 2 kilometers every day. He is a good batsman. He practices for 8 hours every day in order to maintain his position in the Indian cricket team. Okay? And then next part, this is Rajiv's family. They are a healthy family. See what each one does to remain healthy. Okay? So one has been done for you. So use the words and or but and make as many sentences as you can about Raju's family. Okay, for example, grandpa and grandma get up early in the morning. So the answer is grandpa is walking but Raju is jogging. Okay, so students, today we are going to do only 4 pages of exercise. So rest of the part we will continue in our next class. I have given PDF in assignment column. You may refer that page and do your book back exercise. Thank you.